So you can see here that my image is distorted. What I want is that this image should fit inside this card. Okay. So how do you do that? So in Next.js, there are two ways in which you can do this. Basically creating the responsive images. So in the documentation, they have given these two solutions. First one is using fill property. Okay. So what you have to do is that you need to set the fill prop and set the position relative on the parent. Okay. So these two things are required. And in the code, you can see that I have used the fill prop for this image component, but on the parent of this image component, there has to be this relative class. Okay. This is what I was missing, this relative class. So if you do that and save, you will notice that this image will fit into this card like this. It will not get distorted. So this is one solution where we have to use the fill prop and make sure that this parent of this image component has got this relative prop or the relative CSS style applied. Now let us look at the second way in which you can make the images responsive. If you know the aspect ratio of the image, then it's very easy. This is how you can do it. This is the source of the image. And then we have to use this style and set the width to 100%. So basically what it is going to do is that it will make our image responsive. So whatever is the its parent of this image component, it will take the width of that parent and then it will try to match the width of image to that parent's width. And down here we have to give the aspect ratio in terms of numbers. Okay, so if your image is, let us say, 16:9 aspect ratio, then you can give 16 and 9 over there. So we are not giving the pixels. You have to remember that it is not the pixel, it is treated in terms of the aspect ratio. Okay, and it will try to match whatever is the width of the parent image will be of the same width. And since we are given height as auto, image will be responsive. This is for the images that are loaded externally using this source attribute. If you are loading the image using this syntax, which is called a static import, in that case, you don't need to give the size because size is known. When we import the image statically, we know the size or the aspect ratio. So all you have to do is that you have to give these styles, width and height. Okay, that's it. An image will be responsive. Thanks.